What's up?
What up?
It's too early, brother. Damn, McLaren? Arian brought the McLaren out? Kevin brought that piece of crap out? No, I'm just kidding.
He made it. What's up?
Why'd you bring that old ass car, bro?
Shut up.
Who drives E92s nowadays?
You're too sick. Look at
Just kidding. Damn, Arian!
all over Arian. Don't even bother getting up. I swear, stay in your car.
Why? Because I'm late?
Yes.
I'm late as
You're
always.
always late.
Damn, I like the fit, G.
Thanks, man.
All black? It's hard.
Yeezys, Yeezys.
You guys are literally matching.
Kinda dog?
Bro, you guys are literally matching.
You are too.
No, I'm not.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, how are you? Bro, you guys are wearing the same thing, bro. What's up? How are you? Aren't about the McLaren now? Haven't seen this thing in a while. I was joking, guys. I always mess with Kevin. I want another E92. I just mess with him when he drives that car and he's not in the F80 with me. Oh, the M4 with me. So I always joke with him when he brings the E92 out. I'm like, why are you bringing this old ass car out? But it's just a joke. I wish I had my E92 still. It's just funny how long he's had it. Like, if I would have had my car still, I would have been on like 7, 8 years right there already. How long have you had this? Like, how many years?
Like 7 years now?
7? That's what I think. I think I would have had it for 7 if I just kept it. Yeah? And this shit's still mint. Mine was in okay condition.
Oh no, you're speed, bro.
I drive mine too much, but Kevin like literally stores this thing in a garage. That's why it looks so good still after 7 years. What? What?
Every car you see, buy it.
Rich, Rolex.
So rich, bro. Is that the Subnear?
No, it's the, I think, AP41.
I want that one.
I want it too.
How much?
I'm renting it out right now.
Arian's rich. We get Rolex, McLaren. We got the F80 out. We watched it yesterday. Shout out to my homie Bees because he watched it late at night last night. Like I don't even know what time it was, but it was dark. We watched it at his house in the middle of the night. It came out pretty good. In the middle of the night, not bad. The lighting was so bad. We were washing the car and I was holding my iPhone flash up so he can see what he's washing. It was so dark out. But the wheels are all clean. I love when these wheels are clean. The car is so much better. It was dirty, bro. We did the inside too, so it's all clean. God damn, that shit sounds good. Kevin. Bro, how are they matching? They're literally wearing the same shoes, same pants, same everything. But yeah, guys, good morning. Thank you guys for watching another video. I'm not sure if this video is gonna be 50 minutes like the last one, but it seemed like a lot of you guys actually liked the longer videos. I don't know. I posted a poll on Instagram to like see what you guys like, the longer videos or the shorter ones. Some people said the 50 to an hour long vlogs are a little too long, and I agree sometimes because I don't think I could even sit through an hour long vlog, bro. So I think I might try to find like a little median, like maybe 20-minute vlogs, 30-minute vlogs. Bro, I don't know how to get out of here. All these driveways are so steep. Oh my god, dude. It's so hard to drive this freaking car. Stick shift's so fun. Thanks, brother. What's the retail on that? Should we race him? Look. Bro, I'm gonna smash you, bro. He's gone. Bro, Arian's smashing, dude. We can't keep up, bro. We're in BMWs. Why are we driving so fast in the morning? I just woke up. Kevin really brought the E92 out. I have not seen that car in a long time. It's funny because he drives it and then he'll store it for like a whole month and then he'll bring it out again and then he'll put it away again. We're all heading to some car meet this morning. The Anthro's meeting us there in the GTR. There's gonna be tons of other supercars, so let's go. Alright guys, we made it to the meet. We got a couple BMWs, the homie Chris, an E36. Wow, that thing is super clean. BBS's. God damn. E46 also very freaking clean. It's like a perfect E36 and a perfect E46. Red interior too. With the T's. Oh my god. I don't know which one's better. Shoot, I'm gonna have to go with the red one. God damn, both of those are sick. E92 on TEs. Fire. That shit nice. E30. Another E46. The whole BMW squad right here. What the? Sheesh. Ferrari. The little sheepy race sticker. Sick. Oh my god, dude. Antro? Antro's twin right here. God damn, that shit is sick. Look at the steering wheel. Well, actually, if I do end up keeping my GTR, I want to upgrade to a 2017 model. The interior is so much nicer. Exterior is nicer. It would be sick. Like, swap all my parts over to it. God damn. Hood exit and everything. That shit for sure fast, huh? Sheesh. Corvette? Andy? Haven't seen him forever. Andy brought the bike out. G80, all sand black. Hella clean. Gloss black, white interior, white bucket seats. Damn. I just expect, to be honest.
Why every time?
He got my hat on with the work outfit. You guys know that he won my 350Z?
I know.
That's the one who won, bro. He won.
I would have sold it.
He still has the Z, guys. He still drives it around. It's his daily, but this is his F80. So sick. That's insane. Hello, sir. Hi. How are you? Where's the Z at?
Rich.
You sold it or no?
I would have sold it, bought a Rollie.
Sold
I would have
it?
bought a Rollie.
I told him he could sell it. It's his car. Yeah, those heads are sick. But yeah, the guy who won my Z actually has an F80 as well, guys. How crazy is that? I remember when he first pulled it to my house, I was like, no way this dude has an F80 and he got a freaking Z now. That's insane. But yeah, he still drives it here and now and then. He says it's like his daily driver, which is so dope. It's cool to see that he still enjoys it and drives it every day.
He's lying.
Nah, he's not lying. I swear he drives it. Bro, he sends me pictures of him driving it. I'm like, what the heck? Lambo? That's pretty sick. McLaren. Why don't all McLaren sound like that? A little like beepy noise. Porsche GT3. But so many BMWs. That Porsche is nice too at the end. My dad had one just like that, guys, in red too. These are so clean. All of these actually. And they have all the generations. Look, E36, E46, E92. I need to put my car on the end, huh? The F80. We have all the generations here. And there's even G80s here too. I don't know which one's better, guys. They're so freaking clean. I love the red, like red paint with the gold BBS's. Damn, even has the Recaros in here. Interior is nice. Stick shift as well. The only way to go in these cars. I don't know if you guys know, but the automatic ones drive so weird. Like it has like a pause in between the shift. It's like a Aventador. Aventador is okay, you gotta deal with that, but BMW, stick shift's the wave in these cars. Red interior on this one, red Recaros. So fire, bro. They're both so clean. I don't know which one's better, to be honest. Damn, they're so nice. And then the E36 M3, super sick too. On BBS's. This one's 4-door. Stick shift as well. Sick. Wow, these things are hard. GT4RS, carbon hood. Sick, bro. Look at the interior. That's a badass spec. The green on green. Damn. But it looks like a full track car. Sheesh. The guy's Arion's car, and then the new McLaren next to it. Literally same color and everything. It's just like the newer generation. That's sick. It looks so much more futuristic, the front ends. I still want a 570. I think 570 would be a cool upgrade from the GTR. Would you get one, Antro? 570?
Yeah.
They're sick, right?
Yeah,
You did look at one, right? Before?
Yeah. I don't know shit about McLaren, so I don't want to dive into that shit.
Bro, that GTR is goals. Damn. Look at that freaking engine. Fully built, huh? For sure over 1,000.
Easily.
So sick. All carbon fiber in there. Damn, big baller.
Bro, that tire setup
The tires are insane,
is
huh?
crazy.
It was a fully built engine, everything.
How much horsepower you think?
Over 1,000. 1,500.
1,500 build. I can tell you that.
Damn, bro, that shit's nice,
minimum
too.
12, minimum.
Really freaking clean. Clean wheels, tires, interior's like mint, engine base mint. It's like a perfect GTR. But you guys see the interior is so much nicer than my car. Damn, he has the whole screen. Bro, you see he has the dash.
You buying that manifold?
How much is it?
If it's the one I'm thinking it is, like 9,000?
No way, just for this?
Yeah, just a manifold.
Look at the dash.
Some people make this power and it don't look this clean.
Yeah, his looks super mint. Bro, he had the dash.
Oh shit.
You see it?
It's a Montec.
The full screen.
How much is that?
Bro, that's a lie. I think.
Okay.
How much?
5K just for the screen. 5K? Just for the screen, bro.
But this car is like built super nice, I swear.
Bro, this shit is like perfection.
How much do you think you spent on the whole build?
He's past 200. He's past 200.
Plus the trans, bro.
Yeah, I don't know what trans he has. If he
For
tells
sure
me
got
it's
like a 20,000
Bro, if he
trans.
tells me it's a stage 5 or a stage 4, that's like 30K. Just the trans.
That's crazy.
That's insane, huh?
I'm getting iced out for that.
Too much money.
And he's so clean too.
Yeah, this is a beautiful GTR. And then the Ferrari next to it has all red interior. Like everything's red. That is sick. What the Evo that came in super loud. Look at the turbo. Sheesh. Wastegate out the hood and then exhaust out the side, bro. Damn, that thing is loud. This shit for sure fast. You should race this one. Anthro. Got the drag wing on it. Dude.
Have to wait, bro.
Imagine seeing this shit on the freeway, bro. Just driving. That's a sick ass Supra. It's so clean too. Just a lip, lowered, and then wheels. That's it. Oh my god, dude, that shit is beautiful. Ventador. Everybody's pulling out their cameras. So crazy the attention you get in a Ventador. They just sound insane, bro. Marion's out. Sounds so sick. Alright guys, we're about to go have some breakfast now. We're gonna have those GTR. I miss even the smell of the GTR. Like all the EV5s. What kind of luck I'm going through with that car, but it's the worst luck ever. Like, it's been over a month it's been gone. We put the new gears in the transmission. We got a whole new gear set. We're putting it in the trans. But now he said the trans is in the car. He's been driving it for like 200 miles, putting miles on the car, just test driving it before he gives it to me, which is good because I want to make sure it's perfect before I get it. And I told him that. So I told him no rush either. I know it's been a long time, but I said no rush as long as the GTR comes back perfect, you know, with zero issues. And I don't have to worry about it no more. So he's test driving it right now. He said he put 200 miles on the car. But what he's going through is having a little like clutch issue now. It's not even the gears anymore. Now it's the clutches. He says that when he takes off from like a 0 miles per hour takeoff or even reverse, it like shudders, vibration. I don't know. He said it doesn't feel normal though. And it's not the gears. He says the gears, like when he's shifting to first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, it feels smooth. Like everything feels like butter. He says it feels good. The gears that we replaced, perfect. Just now he has like this little clutch issue. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Like I said, I have the worst luck with that GTR, bro. I don't know why. I've had the car for about 3 years now and it's had zero issues. This is the first time ever having issues with the car once all these transmission issues started. Before that, it was reliable as hell. I literally drove it to Vegas, to San Diego, daily driven it. Like, the car's been perfect, bro. I never had a thought in my mind that it would break, but now it's just like one thing after the other, bro, and it sucks. The first transmission rebuild, going out, now replacing the gears again, now the clutches, bro. So we'll see what happens. That's the update we have so far. He said he's gonna pull the trans again, bro. This is like the 3rd time he's pulled this trans out, so I feel bad for Chris, but shout out to him for just helping me out, making sure the car's perfect, and putting in all those hours, taking out the trans again. We'll see what happens, guys. Oh, okay, man. Where's the cop at? I see him pulled over there. So yeah, we'll see. He's gonna pull the trans again. Check it out one more time, and we'll see what we need to do next. But GTR's still gone, guys. We thought we had the GTR done sooner. Like I said, it's been done. He's been like driving it around town, and we were hoping it would be done by now, but we'll see, guys. That's the update though that we have on the GTR. Anyways, still an F80. Can't complain, you know, I still got an F80. I've said this in the past, whenever something bad is happening, guys, try to look at the positives. You know, you're super blessed to have what you have. I'm blessed to be able to say I have an F82 that I can drive around. Although it does suck, and I do miss my GTR so much, you gotta think of the positives, guys. You gotta think of the positives, and you gotta remember all your blessings in life. I'm healthy. We have another car to drive. Can't be sad. Try not to be sad. I do miss the GTR so much. My baby, bro. My dream car. Damn, that shit is going crazy. Where are the cops at? We got all Kevin's food. And we didn't even get food.
Somebody's hungry.
We got all the food. For Instagram or what?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.